Can AI trading bots actually beat the market? Or is this just another overhyped tech fantasy? With all the talk about AI revolutionizing finance, hedge funds, and even retail traders using bots, you'd think we'd see consistent outperformance, right? But here's the thing. The data tells a very different story. Welcome to Fintech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, fintech, and trading strategies, make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's start with the big question. Do AI bots actually work? The short answer, sometimes. But beating the market consistently is a whole different game. A recent study from JPMorgan found that while some AI-powered trading algorithms can outperform human traders in short bursts, long-term success is far from guaranteed. Why? Because markets are unpredictable. Even the most advanced machine learning models struggle with black swan events, unexpected news, and changing economic conditions. Here's a real example. During the 2020 market crash, several AI-driven hedge funds underperformed dramatically because they had never encountered a crisis of that scale in their training data. They simply didn't know what to do. Sound familiar? This brings us to a key issue. AI bots are only as good as the data they're trained on. If a model is trained on historical bull market data, it might crush it when everything is going up. But the moment a crash happens, it has no idea how to react. And let's not forget, the best performing AI trading systems are not available to the public. The most powerful hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies and Citadel spend millions developing proprietary trading algorithms that they'll never sell to retail traders. So if someone's trying to sell you a $99 AI-powered bot promising insane returns... But let's be fair, AI in trading isn't useless. Some hedge funds and quant firms do use AI effectively, but they combine it with human oversight, risk management, and deep market research. Even in the retail space, some traders have found ways to use AI bots as a tool, not a replacement. So let's bring it back to the main question. Can AI trading bots actually beat the market? The data suggests that while some bots can perform well in certain conditions, consistently outperforming the market without human intervention is still a major challenge. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think AI trading will eventually dominate the markets, or is this just another passing trend? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. And if you want to see a real-world test of AI bots in action, hit subscribe, because in my next video, I'm running an experiment to see if an AI bot can actually turn a profit in live markets. Don't miss it.